Welcome to online classes. Now I will give you the answer of question number 4. Question number 4, you can already page number 19, please open and read 4a. Most liked. Answer will be favorite. FAVOURIT, favorite. 4b, graze or slightly injured. SCRAP, scrap. SCRAPE. 4b, acts in good way. Behaves, BEHAVES. 4d, a quick way to get from one place to another. Shortcut, SHORT, short, CUT, cut. 4e, enormous, means huge, HUGE. So question number 4 answer already given. 4a, most liked, favorite. 4b, graze or silently injured. Scrap, SCRAP, scrap. 4c, act in good way, behaves. 4d, a quick way to get from one place to another, shortcut. 4c, enormous, huge. Now we'll go for question number 5. Why do you think the poet says the following? Explain in your own word. Just anything can come out of the bag. Question number 5a, a just anything can come out of the bag. Question number 5b, suddenly we hear a noise, a humming brown noise. Question number c, with a noise like the bath emptying. Now we have to reply of this question. 5a, just anything can come out of that bag. Answer is 5a, the most unexpected things come out of that bag. 5a, just anything can come out of that bag. Answer is 5a, the most unexpected things come out of the bag. Unexpected spelling, UNEXPECTED. UNEXPECTED, unexpected. So 5a, the most unexpected things come out of that bag. 5b, suddenly we hear a noise, a humming brown noise. 5b, brown is considered to be a dull color. 5b answer, brown is considered to be a dull color. Considered spelling, CONSIDERED. So 5b, brown is considered to be a dull color, full stop. Next sentence. So the poet means to say that suddenly there is a dull humming noise made by a swarm of bees. So once again, brown is considered to be a dull color, full stop. So the poet means to say that suddenly, SUDDENLY, suddenly there is a dull. After dull, within bracket you can write not very loud. Within first bracket, not very loud after dull. Okay. So brown is considered to be a dull color, full stop. So the poet means to say that suddenly there is a dull within quotation, within first bracket, not very loud, then humming noise made by a swarm of bees. So again 5b, brown is considered to be a dull color, full stop. So the poet means to say that suddenly there is a dull, after dull within first bracket, not very loud, bracket close, then humming noise made by a swarm of bees. Humming, already spelling already there in the question. Now 5c, with a noise like the bath emptying, with a noise slash like the bath emptying. See answer. It sounded like the sound that water makes when it goes down the plug hole of a bath. 5c, it sounded like the sound that water makes when it goes down the plug plug hole of a bath. Once again, 5c, it sounded like the sound that water makes when it goes down the plug hole of a bath. Question number 5 ABC completed. Now refer question number 6. Look at these lines from the poem. She opens her bag and put it down on the pavement. She takes hold of my hand and then, and then we are in a huge dark cave. What do you think the poet repeats this word and then? 6a answer, because he does not know what to write next. B, because he wants to say that time has passed. 5c, because he wants to make it more exciting. 6d, because he has forgotten what he was going to say. 6, the question, look at these lines from the poem. She opens her bag and puts it down on the pavement, and she takes hold of my hand and then we are in a huge dark cave. Why do you think the poet repeats the words and then? Now A answer is no right answer. 6b is the right answer. 6b, because he wants to say that time had passed. So from the question 6 ABCD, only B is the right answer. Other answer you do not write anything. For 6b answer you have to write tick mark, and also you have to write the same answer in your fair copy. Now look at the following lines. I need a pencil to draw the cat. If she needs scissors to cut my nails. A pencil is used for drawing and scissors are used to cut. Match the object in column A and what they are used for in column B. Capital A column, a fan, B an umbrella, C a ruler, D a mobile phone, E a computer, F a saw, G a spoon, H a dictionary. Now the answer: a fan, matching with to keep me cool, Roman 4, right side. An umbrella, it is Roman 7 in right side column, to keep the rain off. A ruler to match with Roman 6 to draw a straight line. A mobile phone D. A mobile phone B. Roman 1 to make a call. E. A computer Roman 8 right side column B to use the internet. F. A saw Roman 3 of column B to cut wood. Left side A column, a spoon G. G a spoon, it is matching with Roman 2 to eat an ice cream in column B. H right side, left side column A column H, a dictionary. You have to find in right side column B 5 to find the meaning of the word H. So answer right side B column, right side of this statement, right side you can write 1 to make a call D, Roman 2 to eat an ice cream G, Roman 3 to cut wood F, Roman 4 to keep me cool A, Roman 5 to find the meaning of word H, Roman 6 to draw a straight line C, Roman 7 to keep the rain off B, Roman 8 to use the internet C. And after that, now use the table to write sentence showing the whatever you need to object for, that is not required. That is the end of your question answer and close, and it is already done. The magic handbag, all question answer completed.